Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This is year model 2008. This is the video regards to if you're driving and you stop someplace and all of a sudden your gear shifter is stuck. And you can move your gear shifter. I'll share with you how you can fix it yourself. And let's take a look. Take a close look. What I wanted to share with you that all of a sudden your gear shifter is stuck. You can move it regardless what you do. It's a quick DIY fix. If you are in that situation, might be this tip will help you out. What do you need to do? I'll show you. When we press this, the lever on the side, and then we do it, the gear shifts. But what happened? It gets stuck. What do you need to do? I'll show you. These are two screws. I removed it from here, from the handle. These required a hex driver. So once we took these two screws out from here, then the lever comes out, just like that. When I press it, the lever goes, this lever goes inside, that presses down, and then this goes down, and then we're able to shift the gear. So supposingly, if I start it, and I'll show you. Try to change the gear, it won't change. The shifter is stuck. But when we press it, then the gear shifter will change the gear. And when we press it, then we goes in the parking. That's the place. It has a small spring. Spring gone bad, or some reason it just got broken, or it just get smashed up inside, or any reason, that can be a trouble. So that will make your gear shifter stuck. It's a very common problem with the GM vehicles. And one of the video I did have a posted on my channel on easy steps. I will provide you the link. You can click it right up here. And that explain what spring, how this is a small tiny spring which goes inside, and once you change it, and your gear shifter will start working. So I hope this tip and trick will help you out in your DIY project. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.